I did forget one other thing. It's important. So, number one, what I give you for free, but don't ever, look, we tried with me. Do you understand? Me anywhere, it messes up what has already been established. Do you understand? Because I'm just Sophia anywhere. You're not going to do jack shit. I've already got it in my head. You're just going to not do anything, and you're just going to come to me. But when I needed your asses to do your job, so fuck off. Excuse me. I was transferred there. I think God knows what he taught me. All right? You will not come and pick up your children. That's insurance. There is no insurance after 5. I own property. Stay away. I will call the police. Do you understand that? There is insurance, and I own property, and you have the NAACP. Don't. I will call the police if that was the case. I'm just telling you. All right? I started with gymnasiums, and if you act up, you're not going to get after-school sports. Insurance. I have always said insurance. My father, I don't want people in my car. I own a house. Insurance. This lovely young lady whose mother with the white streak of hair loves to sue people. They say she was married to like Dr. Drew, and then I was supposed to know about this blood thing. He seemed to be famous. I don't know how true that is. I saw her coming into my Kinko's at Trinity. I ran to the front. I leveled out the carpet. Hi, let me walk you to the counter and let me walk you out. Oh, I'm not falling for that. Get it? Now, her daughter, very nice. We are house poor. The plastic play sets, the slides for the children, her children. Her husband is CBS movie man. Well, he offered her a ride and there was an accident. She sues him. Men like that. He married her. I guess they split it. Jeffrey Brackett, the free Negro in Maryland. Indians get 2 blankets. Americans, you're born pink, girl, blue. It's a joke, I think. Jeffrey Brackett, the Indian is above the slave. The Indian will be given a blanket to return a slave. Did you read the book if you wanted to be a social worker? That should have never been let out. It was 100 years old. I took it to the Kinko's in Baltimore and Xeroxed it. How much do you think? Entry level, I'm not looking to take you over, but I should, and I will right from here. Now, my Liberia, Cape MESURADO, that was the first place. There are deeds. There's an exchange. Obviously, the Africans are selling property. True. I'm supposed to remember them all? And why do I remember that? Because of Jeff True from Kentucky. Because that's what they do in Kentucky. The first half of the meeting, he's killing me with Peterson. Oh, they're both like bob and weave. Rope-a-dope. Come on. And then she leaves. We've never heard you sounding so confident. You got to get used to that because that's just you've never worked any place but Kinko's. Well, Cape MESURADO made the people sick. Now, I don't think it could be measure for measure, and I don't care. Look, I will never retract a statement. Everything I said about all of you, and some of you, I expect the request that I made. Do you understand? I expect it. Don't ask why. You don't want to know because I will list 100 more things. Just give me what I asked for. There will be a gentleman, he come. There is a picture of the, well, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about how I made it through. Your Jamestown, they had a health issue too. Oh, I'm sorry. My second education was not your Maryland bullshit. You are now all health to make the, oh, don't. There is nothing that you do to people. It's measured and orchestrated to make people feel small. I don't feel that way. You are trying to flush my New York integrated, and you are not. So socialism without consumerism is Nazism. And considering Thompson versus HUD, I don't even know what to call that. So now this lady, Bloom, you know, the one that patted me on the head and called me naive. You're so naive. She will say in my learning contract that the redevelopment of blight relative costs, forget about the amortization of Latrobe, forget about the daycare center in the center of Latrobe that I discovered in November of not, forget it. Let's move on to those tuberculosis maps. And did I tell you to nab me? Why tuberculosis? What is all that about? I yell every day. You could have done it any day you wanted to. Why that day and any day that you did? It's my property and you know it. What's up with the TB? I don't care if it's the law. You serve my purpose. Those are TB maps. Where did you burn it? And what you put there now? The map is all over I don't care. That's health. School of Health. I'm not looking for friends. As far as I'm concerned, you're from Boston and you don't know any better, and there's nothing in that city that served me coming from your piece of shit. All right? I am still younger than my grandmother, and it was her determination to the base of the Statue of Liberty. And God bless that she could go. Really. Your New York, it's all yours now. And what I write from wherever this thing is, I can say whatever I want. It is the truth. Don't call me anything. It's not going to look good for you because there's 3 things in that book. 3. You cannot have a problem with the self-defense for the Black Panther Party or the self-defense for the Jewish organization that went a press release to the police. We have now been certified in brass knuckles. B'nai B'rith. That is a reputable source. Just 1 sentence. I'm not stupid. And on a lighter note, I want you, because I want to know, okay? Oh, ladies, come on. Can we talk? Not anymore. She went crazy and died on the bed of the... Too much. Too much. Oh, come on. Edgar, oh, yes. And there I felt so sorry. He had money of his own, people. He was an English person and he did things for the United Nations. He loves caviar and soirees and talking intellectuality. Edgar was not poor. I thought he was just her manager. And what's the kid gonna do? Oh, the kid is fine. So, like, I got lost in the Diamond District and this... Why don't you try wearing some heels? What the fuck is that about? Maybe that's why they made cubic zirconium. And where do you get your diamonds from? The blood of Africa? Didn't you deserve that? But I'd never say it to you then because you're a loon. What am I supposed to be wearing high heels for? So now I want to know, considering nobody knows where Unite is or where these goods are being made. I want you. And look what you did to Lord and Taylor, the poor rich women of Scarsdale. That's a second. Oh my God. And it's right there. And these old ladies that can't see. I see it. It's big. That zipper is wrong. My mother's shop is polyester. Waters, polyester, the movie. Do you know how hard it is to piecework polyester? It is, really. Charter Sportswear doesn't have seconds, and Neiman Marcus, and they're high end. It's polyester. You didn't want to bring technology. Don't, ladies. It's quite finished, all right? The gig is up. I'll start talking Yiddish. Oh, don't get her mad. Oh my God, she's found it, Johanna von Wagner. She found Johanna? Oh no, and now no more vagina monologues. That's not going to work either. God only knows. Oh yes, they did. Oh no, they didn't. Yes, they did. Oh, we're oh no. And the angry itch. Oh, it's even worse than the itch. Why? So basically, this diamond guy, because Diamond Girl, you're the one. There's a song for everything. I swear there is. When a New Yorker can't roast a New Yorker, but I don't want to roast you on. Oh no, there will be no roast. Because she knows that the beer steins and the beer halls, we talked politics. No, we're not talking politics over food and beer. Oh, after work, we're all politics. How can I fuck up my country? And what can we do together to fuck them up even more? Oh, they'll never see what's coming. So basically, not even, don't you want to know the normal people? She can't say that. Oh, I don't know. They haven't stopped her yet. Why aren't they stopping her? I think it's because she starts saying shit like this. Shut her up. I tried. I really tried. How'd that happen? Got a little change in my pocket. They gave her money. They gave her money. They gave her. It's the diamond guy, your brother. Yeah. Now that's it, really. Oh, could it be the end? I don't know. You never know. I don't know if it's the end.